Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the LG QNED 80T versus the LG QNED 90T versus the LG QNED 85T. So if you're wondering what these three offer, so the LG QNED 80T is a LG's budget-friendly 2024 QNED TV featuring a 4K IPS panel with basic local dimming and a 60Hz refresh rate. And the LG QNED 85T is LG's mid-range QNED positioned between the QNED 80T and the QNED 90T. It offers a 4K VA panel with a full array of local dimming and 120 Hz refresh rate. And lastly, the LG QNED 90T is a premium QNED from LG. It is LG's top-tier 2024 QNED model featuring mini LED backlighting, a 4K IPS panel, and advanced gaming capabilities. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with the LG QNED 80 right here. So the pros of it is that it is affordable, it has wide viewing angles, and is user-friendly WebOS platform with Magic Remote. Now the cons of it is that it is limited to 60 Hz and lacks VRR and FreeSync support. It has subpar audio quality. It has mediocre contrast and black levels, and noticeable blooming and light bleed in dark scenes. Now, let's go over the pros and cons of the LG QNED 85T. So the pros of it is that it has 120 Hz refresh rate with VRR and FreeSync support. It has good SDR or standard dynamic range, brightness, and fast response time. And it has enhanced gaming features. Now the cons of it is that it has narrow viewing angles, inconsistent black levels and contrast, and reports of light bleed and blooming issues. Now let's go over the pros and cons, which is lastly the LG QNED 90T. The pros of it is that it has mini LED technology, delivers a superior brightness and contrast, wide color gamut with quantum dot and nanocell technologies, wide viewing angles, comprehensive gaming features 120 Hz, VRR, FreeSync, ALLM, and HDIG. And it also has enhanced audio with a 2.2 channel 40-watt speaker system. Now the cons of it is that it is pricier and it lacks Wi-Fi 6 and ATSC 3.0 support. Now, which one is right for you? So if you're going on a budget, you should choose the LG QNED 80, and if you want a gaming experience for a monitor or your PS5, you should choose the LG QNED 85T, and for the best experience overall, you should choose the LG QNED 90T if you have the budget. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.